How to fix Instagram followers stuck or frozen on your Instagram account. Let's say you have an Instagram account and you know that someone follows you and you update like this and it isn't showing. There is a few steps you can do. Step 1, go out of the Instagram app and then you want to go to settings, and this applies both to iPhone and Android. On iPhone you go to general, and then you want to go to iPhone storage, and then we want to scroll all the way down to Instagram and tap it, and where it says offload app you tap offload app, and then you when you have the option of reinstall the app, you will reinstall the app. What happens then is that you delete the browser cache. The way to do this on Android is to go to settings, apps, and then you go to the Instagram app and then clear cache. Okay, step 2 is to go to the App Store, and then you want to search for Instagram. If you are on Android, you want to go to the Play Store. And as you can see here, it says open beside the Instagram app on my phone, but if it says update, you have to update your app, and this will hopefully resolve your problem. So this is how you fix Instagram followers stuck. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. See you in the next video.